Example 2.1 in your textbook is an example of a discrete sample space. The problem reads, a contractor is planning the acquisition of construction of equipment including bulldozers needed for a new project in a remote area. Suppose that from his prior experience with similar bulldozers, he estimated that there is a 50% chance that each bulldozer can remain operational for at least 6 months. If he purchased 3 bulldozers for the new project, what is the probability that there will be only 1 bulldozer left operational after 6 months into the project? So this is quite straightforward application of a sample space. Writing out our sample space and using that to determine what the probability would be that after 6 months 1 bulldozer is left operational. So I've taken the liberty of writing out already this little grid where each number here represents one of the 3 bulldozers, and the EI column is going to represent all of the individual outcomes that can occur at the end of 6 months. There's an equal probability that the bulldozer will remain operational or non-operational after 6 months. So the first possibility would be that the first bulldozer is operational, the second bulldozer is operational, and the third bulldozer is operational. The second possibility would be the first operational, the second operational, and the third not operational. The third possibility would be the first operational, second and third non-operational. Fourth possibility would be that none of them are operational. The fifth would be first one not operational and 2 and 3 operational. The sixth would be non-operational, non-operational, and operational. The seventh would be non-operational, operational, and non-operational. And the eighth would be operational, non-operational, and operational. So there are a total of 8 possible scenarios for this problem. And we've written out all the possible outcomes of the 3 bulldozers, which means that this collectively is our sample space. And what we want to find out is, what is the probability that only 1 bulldozer is operational after 6 months? So maybe we'll say the probability that 1 bulldozer is operational, I'll put an O sub 1, after 6 months is going to be equal to all the times that we have just 1 bulldozer operational. So we go down our list and we see, aha, this one has 1 operational here. This one has 1 operational here. And this one has 1 operational here. So the number of outcomes that satisfy this condition is going to be 3 out of a possible, or the total sample space of 8. So our solution to the problem is 3/8.